Yo, what's happening my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. On this episode, what we're going to do, we're going to get the fog lights out, we're going to give them a refurb, as you remember from one of my videos. Basically, we've done the headlights. Also, we're going to fit these Novsight LED bulbs in, and yeah, it's just going to make a big transformation. Now, let's turn on the lights, show you it all, and yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more content, and stay charged, yo. Chase! That's just the side lights. That's the standard lights. Right, so I've never taken these fog lights out, so let's figure out how to take them out. Don't know whether I'm going to go through the side or the bottom or what. Let's do this. Also, these are the 9005 bulbs that we're going to be using. I'm pretty sure it's a direct replacement. Beautiful, look at those. So I've literally just pulled this out because, as you can see, it's got some tabs there, and then we can see we have one nutter there and then another nutter there, and that whole unit should, fingers crossed, come out. Seems pretty simple. Let's quickly get this grill out so we can just show you. This one doesn't seem as easy as the other one, but yeah, just like that, and it's not even broken, and we can clean them now. Yeah buddy, this should be nice and simple. Right, so I'm going to go through the side because it seems like a better idea. Couple of clips on your arch liner, turn your steering wheel. I might even just take the screw out there so it loosens it from there. Let's do it. Right, I've just undone the underguard from there. So basically there's one 10mm there, another 10mm there, splitter comes apart. Now you got access behind there, which seems like a 10mm. Let's undo the 10mm and get this fog light out, and then do the same on the other side. Right, with your long 10mm, literally just undone this one. Yeah, that's out from there. And then with your short 10mm, we're just going to undo this one back there because yeah, there's not a lot of room there, but we can get from back here and undo it. Let's get it out, yo. That's it, getting at your nice weird angle and start undoing the other 10mm, and look at the fog light just drop like that, and then we'll just disconnect it after. There we have it, that's one fog light out that managed to disconnect itself already. But yeah, there's the bulb, same, so we'll disconnect that, and yeah, let's get the other ones out. And this is actually glass. Right, driver side wants a bit more work, and it's rounded off because it was rusty, but that's a minor. And then for this bolt, you're gonna need to get a spanner through here because the washer bottle or something is right there in the way. So let's go get a spanner. Right, now both the fog lights are out. We're going to give them a quick refurb and then change the bulbs on them. But if you want to know how to freshen them up and that, check my video out, the other one on restoring the headlight, because we're going to use the same method on the fog lights. Let's get it done. Right, just given one already a quick little spruce up. Do about 1-2 coats. And yeah, let it dry and should be good to go back on. Right, fog lights have had a quick little freshen up, not the best of jobs, but it'll do because I'm kind of rushing. Just get the bulbs in, test it out and fit it back up, and job's a good one, I'd say. Let's do this. Right. Just got the bulbs in and put the fog lights basically back into position. It started raining, but yep, sitting right. There's basically like a little locating lug on the bumper where you got to put one side of the fog light in and then obviously put your bolt back in. Let's test it out, see what it looks like. It's all plugged in. Yo, that looks 10. Let's turn the main headlights on too. Cheers. Yes, what a magnificent upgrade. I can't wait to see how bright it is at night time, y'all. Hey, I'm well happy with that little mod. Right, that's a wrap for this video. I'm gonna box it back up, and yeah, cause it's raining and I hate the rain, but yeah, that's a job well done. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged, y'all. Cheese!